Ready to remove your Red Aspen Nail Dashes? There are a couple of methods that are safe and comfortable. For the first method, begin by using either the cuticle stick or the nail dash removal tool to break the seal around the edge of the dash. Next, apply cuticle oil around and under the edges of the nail dash. Let it absorb into your natural nail to loosen the adhesive. Then, use the string side of your removal tool to separate the nail dash from the natural nail. You can also use the wooden cuticle stick or the nail dash removal tool's pick to release the press-on from your nail. Remember, if the dash doesn't pop off easily, don't force it. Reapply cuticle oil and let it absorb until the nail pops off effortlessly. Once all 10 of your nail dashes are removed, grab the mini nail file provided in every nail dash box. Use the coarser blue side of the file to remove any residual nail glue. Next, use the finer pink side of the file to smooth and buff your natural nails. If you have our buffer block handy, you can achieve an even smoother finish and add a natural shine. Finally, to add moisture and nutrients to your natural nails and cuticles, massage Red Aspen hand cream onto your hands and fingers. To top it all off, apply our cuticle oil right to your cuticles. And that's it! Now you have clean, healthy, and moisturized natural nails.